I'm Neil.
And we're big fans of Apricoat, so we decided to try out a unboxing video. Neil got jealous because I got a down jacket, and he decided that they were spare.
Well, I wanted one too. She only got me the original version 2 Apricoat because I wanted it, and then she got it for herself because she loved it so much. And then she got the down jacket, and I thought it was a little unfair, so I wanted one too.
Yeah, we both really liked the Adventure 2.0. We just went to Oaxaca, Mexico, and took that as like a rain jacket.
When we went hiking in the mountains, it was very good.
And definitely waterproof, so it's a good one. But here is the down jacket.
Oh. It's my version.
I tried the thermal wear as well. I wear a medium in the jackets, but in the thermal wear, I got the extra small, and it's pretty stretchy, so it seems to work out pretty good.
Oh, you got me the thermal wear too?
Yeah, I wanted you to match.
Nice. That's a cool packing pouch. Okay. Very cool. Which size is it?
I think I got you the 2X?
Yeah, because I'm normally, when it comes to jackets, extra large, but in the Apricoat, I need the 2XL, or at least for the Adventure 2.0, I assume it'd be the same or similar for this.
It's our cat's birthday, by the way.
Very nice. Yes. That is a good fit.
I'm sorry?
I'm 6'2", so I always tend to need extra long, I need long fitting for limbs. So if I get something tailored, it's like a 44 long usually. So for me, the sleeves end up being just a little snug, but they're still good. Definitely like the lining, very thin, warm. And obviously, Apricoat. It's in plenty of pockets. I don't know the exact number of pockets in this coat, but definitely a good amount for me. I do like these zip pockets. They're a little more convenient to access versus pure Velcro pockets. But it seems to mirror the Adventure in the general pocket number.
And this strap is detachable. Your safety strap.
Oh, it packs. Got it. That's so cool. Oh, okay. So I only need to have it out when I want it. Right, and then it's packable.
That's cool.
That's so cool.
And I like it because I think it's a cool statement, fashion statement, but...
No, but it is good for like nighttime hiking or bike riding or whatever it is.
And then you have your vent for if you're too hot, get some mesh breathing. And a detachable hood.
I approve.
All pretty cool. Couple
I like
of goals.
I like it.